Question 23 is different from the previous questions because we are no longer looking at the standard normal distribution. We are looking at a normal distribution with a mean of 266 and a standard deviation of 16. Now, we are still going to use the inverse norm, and because they give us an area on the right, we need to use 1 minus that area. So 1 minus 0.1908. But then we also need to specify the mean and the standard deviation. So I'm going to type comma 266 and then comma 16. So on my calculator, I'm going to select inverse norm and then type my information, and then we get 279.9992326. So I'm going to round this to 280.